How are you doing?
What?
Tell me how you're doing.
What?
How are you doing?
Fine. I'm invincible. Nothing gets me down.
You said you're invincible.
That nice sword, and I could Christmas dinner on a pizza.
Can you tell me your name?
Really, okay, you know what we'll do when we get last time?
Can you tell me your name?
Gail Shelton.
Gail Shelton from Shelton Road? How do you spell Gail?
G-A-I-L-E.
When did this happen?
This morning early.
Like 2 o'clock. And what's your dog's name?
Oh,
Blake. B-L.
Blake. The neighbor's dog.
That's the neighbor's dog.
I love it here. It's working.
You said you love it here?
Yeah.
Have you ever had anything like this happen before?
Yes, this happened once before.
When?
A long time ago when it was my road. They made it county road. But I told you that this time they'll fix it quicker. Last time it took 2 or 3 months to fix it.
Last time it took 2 to 3 months to fix it. You said you've lived here 46 years?
Yes.
Wow.
75.
Say what?
Since 75.
Since 1975. Wow. This is.
What we're gonna do?
Well, how big is Hurricane Creek usually? And don't go any closer. Yeah. What? So you'll build some sort of bridge, you said? I mean, tell me how you're going to get out.
I told you we're going to put a John boat down here.
A what?
A John boat.
John boat.
On a rope.
And a rope.
And you pull yourself across and carry it across.
Oh, boy.